This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix Amazon Prime Video black screen issue on iPhone. So if you're trying to watch any movie or series on Amazon Prime but you are facing the black screen issue, follow these easy steps to fix this issue. The first solution is go ahead and launch the Prime Video app. Tap on your profile photo. Tap on Settings. Tap on Streaming and Downloading. Tap on Streaming Quality. And here select Better Quality. Tap on Back. Tap on Autoplay. And enable Allow Autoplay on this device option. And then check the issue. The third solution is offload the app. Go to your iPhone settings, scroll down, tap on General, tap on iPhone storage, search for Amazon Prime app, then tap on it, tap on offload app, then tap on reinstall app, and then check the issue. The third solution is free up your iPhone storage. You can delete or offload unnecessary apps and you can delete unnecessary photos and videos to free up your iPhone storage. And hope one of these solutions will fix Amazon Prime Video black screen issue. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.